Stop by and take a look at the 2026 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.